Hello everyone, today is Sunday around 2 p.m. On today's video, we will visit this beautiful Hindu temple here in downtown Toronto. Actually, this is Etobicoke. So, let's go. So, this is the gate. I'm gonna show you the gate, and the temple is right over there. Okay. Okay, let's go inside. Can you hold it?
Just hold it. Just hold that.
Yeah.
I'm not recording.
It's recording.
Yeah, he's the driver. He's an Indian.
Okay, we're entering the gate now. I was planning to do my drone, but it says not allowed. So we're just gonna do the tour. Oh, my. Can you hold this, please? Right, you can see from here. That's the temple. I think piece by piece it came from India. So we'll see the actual building. Let's go find our parking spot. Here we go. Let's see the garden first, and then we'll go inside if they will allow us. Last time we did the Buddhist temple. Now this is a Hindu temple. Let's go. Well, I guess we cannot go inside from this area. We have to go the other side. Let's just move around. Now let's try if we can go inside, because I know it's very unique. It looks like a marble or something. Very unique design. Let's go inside. It's very cold.
It is very cold.
Yeah. Look at the materials they use. That's the materials they use. Very unique. And then,
Oh, we can go in there.
yeah.
Can I touch that? This baluster.
Yeah. Let's go. It's a huge area here. Even the additional materials is like, looks like a marble or something. Not sure. Whew. Very cold. My hand is shaking. Ah, look at that. I hope they don't mind taking video. Ooh. Welcome entrance. Look at the materials.
Welcome. Welcome. Hello. Come in. No photography and geography beyond this point. Oh.
I don't know who's that guy. Okay, let's go. So. Kabera mo. Hmm? So this is the one from outside, and it's very unique design.
Same with this one. Very unique design.
Yes,
Very crazy.
you are so unique. Now this area is the outside, so we're just gonna walk around again. Then we heading back to the parking. So this is the temple against the light, which is, it's okay. So this temple is a Hindu temple here in Etobicoke, near Toronto. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more.